Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start using crypto. Calm, easy method. Open the app and tap Sign Up, enter your email, create a strong password, then confirm your address. Next, follow on-screen prompts to verify identity with a government ID and a selfie for full account access. Lastly, enable two-factor authentication for added security and note your recovery codes. This sequence gets you into the app safely and ready to trade. Now fund your crypto. Calm Wallet in a few simple steps. Link a bank account or add a debit card and choose Deposit, then select fiat currency and amount to start. You can also send crypto from another wallet by copying your receive address and confirming network details. Consider a small $10 test deposit to verify speed and fees before larger transfers. Once funds arrive, your account is ready to buy or stake crypto. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading sessions and fits most cup holders, making it a handy desk companion. I use it while explaining steps and it helps me stay focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one you might thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. Buying crypto on crypto. Calm is straightforward and friendly for beginners. Select the currency you want, tap Buy, and enter either a fiat amount or crypto amount to purchase. Carefully review fees and price impact displayed before confirming the trade. After purchase, consider transferring assets to your app wallet or to external cold storage for long-term security. Regularly update security settings and monitor transactions so your holdings stay safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.